In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Webhelper not responding. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you encounter that the Steam Webhelper is not responding, what you want to do first is simply open your Task Manager. So just click on the search bar and search for Task Manager, or simply hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. Now from here, what you want to do is simply search for the Steam Webhelper. So as you can see right here, the Steam Client Webhelper is here. So simply right click on it and end task. Now you want to go to details. Now you want to search for Steam. So you'll see Steam right here. So right click on steam.exe and click on end process tree. And this will end all of the Steam tasks running. Next is you want to search for Steam in your search bar and click on open file location. Now right click again on Steam. Click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and you need to click here, Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click on Run this program as an administrator. Now click Apply and OK. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.